Hey there, welcome back to Elegancepreneur Channel, where we unlock the secrets to building a successful online business. Today, we're diving into the world of faceless digital marketing, a game changer for anyone who wants to grow their brand, make money online, and stay behind the scenes. Let's get started. Faceless digital marketing is all about building a brand and promoting products or services without being the face of the business. Think about it. No camera, no awkward videos, just pure strategy and creativity. It's perfect for introverts, busy entrepreneurs, or anyone who wants to scale their business anonymously. Here's why faceless marketing is so powerful. Low barrier to entry. You don't need fancy equipment or a huge budget. Scalability. You can automate and outsource most tasks. Privacy. Keep your personal life separate from your business. Flexibility. Work from anywhere, on your own terms. The first step is to pick a niche. Focus on something you're passionate about or that has high demand. For example, health and wellness, personal finance, or tech reviews. The key is to find a niche that aligns with your interests and has a profitable audience. Next, create content that solves problems or entertains your audience. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, or even email newsletters. Remember, you don't have to be on camera. Use tools like Canva, AI voiceovers, or stock footage to create professional content. Once you've built an audience, it's time to monetize. You can use affiliate marketing, sell digital products, run ads, or even offer services like social media management. The possibilities are endless. Here are some tools to make your life easier. Canva for designing graphics and thumbnails. TubeBuddy or VidIQ for YouTube SEO and optimization. AI tools like ChatGPT for content ideas or Jasper for writing. Stock footage sites like Pexels or Envato for video content. Email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit to build your email list. Here are some quick tips to help you succeed. Be consistent. Post regularly to grow your audience. Focus on SEO. Optimize your content to rank higher on Google or YouTube. Engage your audience. Respond to comments and build a community. Outsource. As your business grows, delegate tasks to freelancers or virtual assistants. Faceless digital marketing is a powerful way to build a profitable online business without ever showing your face. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, the opportunities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Subscribe for more tips and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite faceless marketing strategy? See you in the next video.